Hey friends, welcome back. It's Julie, your wellness advocate, oil mentor, and homestead loving grandma, here to help you wind down and rest well with a little bedtime magic. If sleep has felt elusive lately, whether from back to school stress, busy minds, or changing routines, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY pillow spray for deep, restful sleep. Now, before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about why sleep is so foundational, especially during this back to routine season. Good sleep boosts your immune system, supports your mood, balances your hormones, improves focus, and gives your body time to repair. But so many of us are tossing and turning, waking up in the middle of the night, or struggling to fall asleep because of stress, overstimulation, or even hidden toxins in our sleep environment. Creating a simple nighttime routine with the right scents, habits, and rituals can help calm your nervous system and cue your body for rest. And that's where this pillow spray comes in. Here are essential oils I love using in a pillow spray, each one chosen for its calming and soothing properties. Lavender, it's the queen of calm, helps reduce stress and quiet the mind. Cedarwood, it's grounding and earthy. It's great for calming the nervous tension. Roman chamomile, gentle and relaxing, ideal for kids and adults alike. And then there's vetiver, super grounding. Think of it as the oil equivalent to a weighted blanket. Serenity Blend is another one. It's a ready-made blend for deep rest, including lavender, cedarwood, vetiver, ylang-ylang, and vanilla. Now you can mix and match or keep it simple with just one or two oils, and I'll show you exactly how. Here's what you'll need for this easy toxin-free sleep spray. The ingredients are a 2-ounce glass spray bottle, preferably amber or cobalt, 1 tablespoon witch hazel or vodka. It helps the oil to disperse among the water. 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oils. Filter water to fill. Here's a simple starter blend. 6 drops lavender, 4 drops cedarwood, 2 drops vetiver. Add 1-2 tablespoons of vodka or witch hazel. Then fill the rest of the bottle with filtered water. Shake gently before each use and spray over your pillow, linens, or even your pajamas just before bed. Now here's a pro tip. Keep this spray on your nightstand or in your evening routine basket so it's easy to use every night. Now, if you really want to create a restful nighttime routine, try pairing your pillow spray with these simple habits. First off, no screens for 30 to 60 minutes before bed. And then diffuse calming oils while you read or journal. Drink a calming herbal tea like chamomile or lemon balm. Take a warm bath with Epsom salts and lavender oil. And practice deep breathing or gratitude journaling. These routines signal to your body that it's time to rest. It's not just about getting more sleep, it's about getting better, deeper sleep. So here's your cozy challenge for this week. Make your own DIY pillow spray and use it nightly for the next 5 days. Take notice of how you feel each morning. Are you more rested, calmer, more centered? And if you have little ones or teens, get them involved too. This is a beautiful family-friendly ritual to wind down the day with intention and calm. Now, if this video helped you simplify your bedtime and sleep deeper, please give it a like and subscribe. This will help me build my channel. And if you'd like my free printable bedtime routine guide with the pillow spray recipe and other evening wellness tips, you'll find it in the link in the description.